Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I am John, Stangboy Johnny, GT Pony Life. Thanks for tuning in on this episode. As far as the other episodes goes, you guys saw how I had to replace my chin spoiler and I had to order a new one on American Muscle. So now that it's here, I'm going to show you the install real quick. And I did get the strut bar as well for my engine bay, but I'm going to get it painted tomorrow. So there's no point of me installing that one as well until I get it painted. So more to come on that. Thanks for sticking by. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I lifted the car, checked everything, should be good to go. Now I'm gonna open the box, see what we have, see if I can do it myself. Hopefully, wish me luck, guys. Okay, so the chin is actually called Scott Drake chin, front chin. Got it off of American Muscle. Go check them out. Fast shipping, it was free, so good job, guys. On a 3 wrench difficulty level, I would say this one is a level 3. Yeah, it's actually but hey, you can see how I mess up, and you can learn from that. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put it on. And hopefully I have all the pieces. If I don't, I'm gonna have to take it tomorrow morning, get it installed because I don't have all the pieces. So, but hey, stay tuned. Maybe I can get it done. Okay, so as you can see, each and every tab, I think I accidentally, broke this one on this side. So I don't know if it was already broken actually from the box or I broke it, but I'll take the blame. Maybe I just mishandled it out of the package. So be careful when you wrap this thing, because there is delicate parts. Yeah, I can see it chipped off. So don't think it's gonna make much of a difference if it's not there. So I think every tab is on. Yep, it is. And the next part is seeing if I can make it stay on the car, and then screw them on, and that should be it, guys. So let me show you how it's done. Hopefully I don't mess up. And if I do mess up, there'll be a part 2, okay? Okay, so yeah, I just gotta tighten the screws and then put these tabs on the side. But yeah, just so you guys know, that one piece that chipped off, there was one piece that chipped off, and it would have been useful if it was there, because if it would have tightened up, it would have gone close together. But I think hopefully if I close these, it'll kind of close up, but everything else is pretty good. Obviously I gotta tighten it up, make them sturdy, but this is what I had before, guys. And then obviously I hit something on the freeway and it came off, and I loved it, so I wanted to get the same one. I like it. I don't know about you guys. I like it. So let me just finish up and You guys tell me what you guys think. Okay, so I got this far. Like I said, every screw now is tight. I gotta do the clips on the edges here. This part here, I'm gonna show you in a bit. That bracket, this guy here, chipped off. So this would have allowed me to bolt it closer together, but I don't know, what should I do? Should I just leave it the way it is? I mean, it's no big deal, it's not gonna come off. There's just a slight little gap. No one's gonna really notice. I mean, am I perfectionist? I think so, but I don't know. You guys tell me. The last thing I'm gonna do is bolt those guys, or get those little tabs here. Wait, I'll show you. Are they all over here? These little tabs here, I'm gonna put them on through. I think there's 2 on each side, so I think I have enough. I'm going to put them in, and that'll complete this today's video. I mean, that's pretty much easy. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it. So let me just finish this part. Let me do a little recap, lower the car, and I'll show you the strut bar too. So I'm gonna show you how it looks right now. If I should just leave it silver or gray, or should I paint it white to match my intake, and you know, obviously I have a white car, so I think it'll look better it being white, and the plaque still gray. I think it says GT. We'll see right now, but for now, let me just put these guys on. What do you guys think? You guys like it? I mean, I think it has a more of an aggressive look. Yeah, what I'm talking about is a little gap right there. Not tight enough right here on that side, but everything else is pretty tight on. So I did get that piece right here wrapped black. Yes, it did get scraped because of the damage I hit. So I'm thinking about just rewrapping that piece, which is going to be super easy. I know a guy here in town that can do it. So I like it, guys. What do you guys think? Good? Comment below. You guys know what to do. Comment below, like and subscribe, please. I'm going to show more stuff as we go. I'm going to get the strut bar open right now. Strut tower brace, I guess it's called. Get that open right now. Pop the hood up, open, and I'm gonna do a separate video for the install on that. It's gonna be a super simple setup. Whoever has a Coyote already, whether it's, you know, EcoBoost or V8, I think this is gonna be a nice factor drivability wise, and it looks nice, right? It's gonna look nice. So let me pop up the hood and let me just show you what I'm talking about. I did install the hood struts guys so I don't have to have a holder. I did that myself too, which is pretty, I think that's like the easiest thing you can do to your car. These are from, again, American Muscle. Man, I think I should get sponsored, you know. What do you guys think? Sponsored? Yeah? Okay, anyways. Ford Performance, super easy install, works like a charm. It goes with the existing bolts, no like additional drilling at all. So that was nice, but look, this is what I'm working with. No, is that a performance pack? So I didn't get that strut bar. So bolts there, bolts on there. It's gonna look nice. I'm thinking about having it just white, you know, to match kind of this guy here. I was thinking about getting this guy painted too, white. I know some people have done in the past. What do you guys think? Leave it the way it is, take it off maybe? Or have that strut bar just white and leave everything the same? Obviously, I think I want to change that too. This is a black one I seen on American Muscle as well. So, loving it, guys. This is my car that I wanted for a while, and it's my weekend car. I have a daily for work, so I don't want to park this car in the parking lot where I work every day at least. I can take it once a week. And wifey's car. Again, stay tuned. Now that this is kind of getting, together again, I'm gonna make some content, guys. You gotta like and subscribe. I want to show you who's a faster car, my wife or mine. So let me know. Okay, guys, just so you know what I used for getting those bolts in, the chin spoiler from Drake Automotive is my socket wrench with the 932 attachment. So this will fit those bolts that come from your factory bumper. So I wanted to share with you guys what I did use for that. So I wish I hadn't. I gotta invest in like power tool, and this is cool. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it doesn't work with that because it's too tight in there, but this does the job. But just want to let you know, 932. Okay, guys, it's Christmas at St. Boy Johnny's house early this time around. I wanted to share with you. So this is an upgrade for me. That chin spoiler was just a replacement part. It wasn't really something new. It just happened to break, so I had to replace it. But this guy here is gonna be cool for me. I never had it ever in my life. I've seen a couple of videos about installing it. It looks super easy. So I want to give you my perspective on doing it. Again, don't mean to, give them another shout out, but can't help it. American Muscle has been good to me. These are high quality. So pretty much my car, all the stuff I've done, minus the rims and tires, has been American Muscle. To the JLT and intake, and tune, the tuner VMP. I'll show you that, guys, too, in maybe the next video. But the chin spoiler, the suspension too. I have adjustable coilover kits, SR Performance as well, that I got from them. Wonderful, love it. The ride feels great. I can adjust it. That's another video as well. And my wing, the GT500. It says GT350 on the website, but even they said that it's technically the GT500, which I don't get. But I got that American Muscle, big game changer for my car and appearance-wise. And now this guy. So let's take a look at what I got. You guys ready for this bad boy? This is nice, guys. GT, Mustang GT. So I'm thinking about getting this whole thing white minus the plaque here, everything in the middle here. Just keep it at the same. But let me show you how it kind of looks on my car. All right. So obviously when I install it, put it underneath there, that's kind of lopsided, but and screw those on to the existing bolts that it has. But it'll be cool. I know silver's pretty cool too, but it's not for my car. So it is going to be white. Easy install, guys, like the easiest. So For me, I give it a 3 out of 3 on a wrench level difficulty meter. I'm just kidding. No, it's probably like a half, honestly. So more to come on that, guys. That's gonna be the next video on the tuner. I'm gonna show you this. Please like and subscribe. More content on my wife's Mach-E GT. So please subscribe. I can't stress that enough, guys. You're stressing me out. Please, just do it. Don't stress me out, okay? More to come, guys. Thanks for watching this video again, and looking forward to showing you some more.